Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters that grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Each one of these tomato planters that you see will yield over 100 tomatoes. And we do about 158 plants from these 5 planters in 10 feet. And right now we're going to look at 5 different types of squash that we're doing. We have the spaghetti squash. They're huge spaghetti squash. The vines go all the way down, and the spread is really, really good. It looks really great. And then we have the chieftain. We have the crookneck. We have the yellow, and I think we have one more. We'll go back and talk about that one also. But for now, let's take a look and see how the spaghetti squash are doing. Oh, they look great. Wow, look at that. Hey guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And as you can see from the big spaghetti squash, this Torpedopot has been doing a great job. It's been growing this very well. Man, it looks really great. I like what I'm seeing. It looks very healthy, and it looks really, really good. It's growing some fennel in there too in the background. Looks extremely healthy. And I expect to get quite a few squash out of it. Let's take a look at the next one. The chieftain. That's really great. The chieftain is it's right here. How are you doing, sir? Looks very healthy, looks clean, looks very good. Wow, look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love what I'm seeing. Man, nice glow. Nice feel to it. Let's about the interior. Yes, it's growing. It's definitely growing. Definitely growing. Definitely growing. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. It's definitely growing. And showing some real good signs of growth. I like it. I don't see any flowering yet. And so let's keep an eye on that one for the chieftain. And that looks really, really good. And this is the yellow crooked neck right here. This is huge. Oh my gosh, the crooked neck and the zucchini they're huge. They're huge. Just see what's inside of it. Oh my gosh, they look beautiful. Doesn't it look beautiful? That's beautiful, guys. Man. Oh my gosh, when I looked at this, I had to take a look. That is gorgeous. Will you look at that? Wow, guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. And you walk away. And look what it does. Torpedopot grows your food. If you want real food, get a Torpedopot. It does a great job of ensuring your food security. All I did was take my plants and my seeds and put them in this planter. And before you know it, I'm going to have a lot of food. This is doing extremely well. Extremely well. Look at the growth that's inside of here. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Torpedopot grows your food. If nothing else does. Wow, that's beautiful. Man, let's see if I can get a little bit deeper inside for you guys. Whoa. The yellow crookneck. Will you look at that? That's amazing. Wow. Torpedopot grows your food, guys. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Stop trying to grow perfect food. You can't do it. Food grows by itself, especially if you put it in a Torpedopot. This Torpedopot, you put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it literally grows your food for you. In this case, it grows your squash. Wow. Yellow crookneck. Now let's take a look at something else. I know you're going to love this. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow, look at this. Whoa, look at you. Look at you. Man, you are looking so good. Look at that. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? Yes, sirree, baby. I'm going to have me some food. I'm going to have me some food. Man, this is the straight neck. Oh my goodness, the crooked neck, and then you got the straight neck. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful, guys. Man, I don't even want to see how fast it can grow, man. I just want to eat it. All I want to do is eat it. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in these planters right here. And they grow your food for you. You never ever have to worry about food again in your life. All right, let's go take a look at the last one. All right, who are you? Who are you? And you look very pretty, by the way. Oh, prolific straight neck. Look at you. Wow, look at that over there. I'm getting some serious squash this year. And look what's to come. These bad boys are not playing. They are loaded, guys. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in these flower pots and they grow your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again in your life. It does it for you. Hundreds and hundreds of pounds of food. Okay, so now you see what's going on with the squash. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com.